So today I'm going to show you how to score and upload your round video for the American Trickline Association Worldwide Combo Jam. And this is going to be our Windows tutorial. So if you've got Mac, you should exit out of this tutorial and go check out our Mac tutorial. And before we even get started with the scoring software, you guys should already have filmed yourself completing this week's fill in the blank problem. And you should already have the video file on your computer. So I've just put mine on my desktop, my video file on my desktop. This is a video of me finishing round 1. So make sure you have that video on your computer before you even get started. Okay, so after we've got that, what we're going to need to do is download the scoring software. And to do that, we need to go to the American Trickline webpage. So I'm going to open up my browser down here and navigate to americantrickline.org. Then click the scoring software link at the top, scroll down, and we've got this button to launch TrickScore, launch the scoring software. But TrickScore requires Java, so before we do that, we need to make sure we've installed Java on our computer. If you already have Java 8, you can just click this button, but if you don't have Java, you'll go here to this link. I'm going to open it in a new tab. This brings me to a page where I can download Java. I'll scroll down. I need the JRE, so I'm going to click download. Then this brings me to a page with a couple different versions of Java. I need to accept the license agreement and then choose the version of Java that's right for me. So this list has a bunch of different versions of Java for different operating systems. I've got a Windows machine, and it's a 32-bit Windows machine. So I need one of these 3. This is for 64-bit Windows. And I think that the offline installers are the easiest because they download all of Java and then launch right into the installer. So I chose this one. Then you want to click Run so that when it's done, it just starts running right away. And this is going to take a couple seconds to download. So we'll just give it a few seconds to finish. And after it's done, it should launch right into the Java installer. Okay, and then we're going to get this pop-up that says, do we want to allow the following program to make changes? This is Java, so we click yes. And then if we see that pop up, we should click OK. Give it another second. And down here, on this brings me to the Java setup screen. So this is where the Java installer. So I just want to click install. And this is going to bring us to a progress screen that will show us how the Java install is going. Okay, and after that finishes, we'll get this message that says we've successfully installed Java. Okay. Exit out of this. Now we'll go back to the American Trickline website, and now we're ready to launch the scoring software. So I can just click this button, and this is going to automatically launch Java, and it will download the scoring software from our servers onto your machine, and that could take a little while. You might see a loading screen with a progress bar, so you just wait for that progress bar to complete. After that's done, you'll get this pop-up that asks you if you want to run the software. So you just click Run. And this is going to bring up the scoring software. So I'll maximize that. And now we're ready to score our round. So I'm going to go to File, Open, and I need to open my video file. So that's this. And the first thing I'm going to see is an athlete selection screen. And here you need to select your name from the list. So if you're already in our system and you start typing in your name, then you'll just appear. If you haven't added yourself to the system yet, you need to click this plus button and fill out this form. You should put in your full name, just first and last name, gender, and nationality, and then click create. And that'll create a brand new athlete record for you. Since I'm already in the system, I can just start typing my name, and I'm going to pop up down here. So I'll click that, and that puts me over here on the left. So now that I've selected myself, I'm ready to start scoring my round. So I'll click this button at the bottom. American Trickline 2016. And this is going to bring me to my video screen where the video will play. I'm going to scroll the video back to the beginning so I can score. You'll see at the top you've got a text box that shows your current score. We haven't scored anything yet, so it's 0. Then we've got some controls down here, and then this text box where I can type in my tricks and combos. So the first round was stand, butt bounce, blank, butt bounce, stand. So I've got to fill in the tricks that I did to complete the round. So I start in a stand, and then go to butt bounce. And then do a front flip. Then a butt bounce. And then back to stand. Okay, and then I'm going to press enter to score that. And then my score should pop up here in the top left corner. And after you finish your combo, don't forget to come up to the camera and say the passphrase. American Trickline 2016. Cool. And then if I want to check to make sure I typed in everything correctly, I can scroll back to the beginning. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a box that shows you what you typed in. So stand, butt bounce, front flip, butt bounce, stand. Looks good. So now I'm ready to upload. So to upload my video, I'm going to go over here and click upload to YouTube in the corner. And that's going to bring me to the upload page. First, I've got to agree to the terms and conditions, and this just says that I own the video that I'm uploading and that I'm willing to put it on the American Trickline Association YouTube channel. So I'll click agree. And now you need a user account in order to upload, and this is different from the athlete that you created in the beginning. So if you don't already have a user account, you need to click sign up in the lower right corner and fill out these fields. So you create a brand new username, make up a password, give a valid email, and then for the first name and last name, make sure that you put the same first name and last name that you did for your athlete, because you're only allowed to upload videos of yourself, and we check to make sure that your user's first name and last name matches up with the athlete's first name and last name. And then you click sign up, and you should get an email with a verification link that you need to click on to verify your account. So I've already created an account, so I'm going to type in my username and my password. And then down here I need to select the competition that I'm competing in. So I'm competing in the Worldwide Combo Jam, so I'll select that. And now I'm ready to upload, so I'll just click upload. And this is going to bring me to an upload screen with a progress bar, and there'll be some progress messages that appear down here to tell you how the upload's going. So right now we've just finished the initiation phase of the upload. And as the upload progresses, you may see the progress bar move forward. It could take a little while. So right now what's happening is the video is being uploaded to YouTube. So depending on the size of the video, it could take some time. It's important that while this is happening, you don't close out of the program. Just leave this up so that it can finish uploading. And when the upload's done, you should see this progress bar be full, and it will say upload complete. But you may not see any updates for a while. It is doing work though. So we'll just give it a few minutes. Oh, and it just finished uploading. So we've got this upload complete. And at this point, the video has been uploaded to the American Trickline Association YouTube channel. It's currently private, so you won't be able to see it yet. It's private until our judges review it and make sure that you typed in everything correctly and that the combo that you said you did, you actually did in the video. But at this point, you're done, and you'll just have to wait until the judges review your video. So when you want to upload your round 2 or next week's round, you'll follow the same process just with round 2. And that's pretty much everything you need to know. So now you can close out of the program. I hope you learned a lot, and good luck with the competition.